Good morning, students. In your geography book, today we will read chapter 2, that is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. In this chapter, we will go through with these natural resources one by one. First of all, we need to know that what are the natural resources. What are the natural resources? Resources are being something which are usable for human being and comes from the natural environment. These all things are called natural resources. The most important resources on the earth is land. Then firstly we will read about the natural resources land. Okay, then listen carefully everything. If we talk about the globe in the context of the earth, its 3/4 area covers with water and only 1/4 area have land. Out of this 1/4 area of land that is present, 90% of population live in only 30% area of land. Nearly 70% of area is not habited because it's in the form of rugged topography, steep slopes of the mountains, low-lying areas, frozen land, Antarctic region, desert area, thick forested areas. So 70% area of land is not habited, where not any habitat can survive. Only 30% of the total land area is used for resides, where 90% population lives. Okay, next uses of the land. We all know what are the uses of land. Land can be used for various purposes such as agriculture, to construct factories, houses, buildings, making roads, airports and laying railways tracks, mining and setting up industries, and that we see in our day-to-day life. However, there are various factors which determine the land and the quality we can use. We can further divide these factors in two parts. First are the geographical factors such as climate, soil types, topography, availability of minerals and waters. And second are human factors such as government policies, technological development, etc. These above play a very important role in determining the land use patterns. People want to live on that area where they can get maximum facilities, may be provided by the nature or maybe by the government. Land can also be classified on the basis of ownership as private land and community land. Private land is owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by the community for common uses like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts or medicinal herbs. These community lands are also called common property resources. In this paragraph, there is a description that how the uses of land have been changed by the time and according to the necessity of the human being. Since human beings came into existence, they have been using land for various purposes. Early man was basically a food gatherer, but with the discovery of agriculture, they started cutting trees to clear land and mining clear land for agriculture. With the discovery of metal, they started mining, and eventually with the development of science and technology, man has changed the use of land and fulfilled the demands and the needs of growing population. People are now using the various recreational purposes. The changes in the land use also lead to degradation of land. It has also lead to desertification, landslide, soil erosion, and this has become a threat to the environment. Conservation of the land resource. Why we need to conserve the land resources? The land availability is getting limited due to increasing population and overuse of land. There is a large scale destruction of forests, that deforestation which has to be lead desertification and erosion of soil. It is important that land should be conserved, and the various ways by which it can be done are planting more trees, that afforestation. Overgrazing should be controlled, which can be done by creating more pasture land. Thorny bushes should be grown so that sand dunes can be stabilized. Use of pesticides and chemical fertilizer should be minimized. Modern technology methods should be used in mining activities to minimize land degradation. This is all about, we have read about the land. Our next natural resource will be soil. We will go through about this explanation in our next video. Now students, read the chapter carefully, all the chapter. I will send some questions try to find out all the answers in your find out the answers and write in your practice copy. Submit the work positively by tomorrow.